Behind high-security gates on the outskirts of Ankara, a quiet revolution in aerospace engineering is taking shape. Inside the production hall of Turkish Aerospace Industries, Turkey's most ambitious defense project is being realized. The KAAN, the country's first domestically produced fifth-generation fighter jet. More than just an aircraft, the KAAN represents a strategic leap that signals Turkey's resolve. Entering the KAAN production facility is like walking into a mix of a software lab and a precision engineering workshop. Robotic arms carve composite panels with micron-level accuracy, while technicians in cleanroom suits assemble stealth-optimized fuselage sections. One of the most crucial aspects of the KAAN's construction is its advanced composite structure. Unlike traditional aluminum airframes, the KAAN relies heavily on carbon fiber reinforced polymers. These materials reduce weight, increase strength, and play a key role in stealth by absorbing radar waves rather than reflecting them. The KAAN is designed with an ultra-low radar cross-section (RCF). The fuselage adopts a sharp-angled design and integrated surfaces, an internal weapons bay, and concealed engine inlets. This technology makes the KAAN difficult to detect by enemy radar, both from the ground and in the air. This jet supports a variety of modern weaponry: long-range air-to-air missiles, precision air-to-surface missiles, and smart guided bombs. Most of the weapons are indigenously developed by the Turkish defense industry. The KAAN is equipped with a sensor fusion system, which combines data from AESA radar, electro-optical and infrared systems, and electronic warfare. All data is presented in real time to the pilot in a single, unified display, dramatically improving situational awareness. One of KAAN's key strengths is its use of artificial intelligence to assist pilot to manage complex combat data and support joint operations with combat drones. This AI enables KAAN to fight more effectively in modern warfare environments. KAAN is designed to be capable of supersonic flight without afterburners. Its advantages include higher fuel efficiency, longer combat range, lower infrared signature, and this provides a tactical advantage in long-range air combat. KAAN uses carbon fiber-based composite materials, making the aircraft lighter, stronger, and more resistant to structural fatigue. This material also plays a key role in stealth capabilities. KAAN has an advanced electronic warfare system to disrupt enemy radar, deceive air defense systems, and protect against guided missiles. These capabilities are crucial in high-intensity modern warfare. KAAN is currently using foreign engines in its initial stages, but Turkey is developing a domestic jet engine to reduce foreign dependence, improve performance and stealth, and support exports to friendly countries. KAAN is not just a fighter jet. It represents a major leap forward in Turkish military technology. With stealth AI, modern avionics, and drone integration, the KAAN is projected to be one of the most advanced fighter jets in the Eurasian region in the coming decade. Stealth wasn't something added to the KAAN after construction. It's ingrained in its DNA. Engineers shaped the airframe using computational fluid dynamics, CFD, and extensive radar signature modeling. Sharp angles, blended surfaces, and internal weapons bays work together to keep the KAAN nearly invisible to enemy radar systems. Even the engine inlets are meticulously designed to conceal the turbine blades from radar exposure, a hallmark of a true fifth-generation fighter. Particular attention was also paid to heat management, reducing the infrared signature that could expose the jet to modern tracking systems. Artificial intelligence plays an increasingly important role. AI-assisted decision support systems help pilots manage vast amounts of information, prioritize threats, and even coordinate with unmanned combat aerial vehicles UCAVs that act as loyal companions. Although initial prototypes rely on proven engines, Turkey is simultaneously developing a domestic jet engine to fully localize the KAA's future propulsion system. An engine integration room within the factory allows engineers to test airflow, vibration, and thermal performance under simulated combat conditions. Before the KAAN landed on the runway, the aircraft had already conducted thousands of virtual emissions. The factory uses digital twin technology, creating a real-time virtual replica of the aircraft that reflects every physical change. Engineers can simulate extreme maneuvers, electronic attacks, and battle damage, identifying potential problems without risking the actual aircraft. The KAAN project was born out of necessity. As global geopolitics shifted and access to foreign defense technology became increasingly uncertain, Turkey realized that true air superiority could only be ensured through self-sufficiency. The program was officially launched under the National Fighter Aircraft Initiative, which aims to replace its aging F-16 fleet while incorporating next-generation stealth capabilities, sensor fusion, and network-based warfare. From the outset, the KAAN was designed not simply as a copy of an existing fifth-generation fighter, but as a platform tailored to Turkish operational doctrine designed to evolve over decades. This simulation dramatically shortens the development cycle and reduces costs, a crucial advantage in a modern fighter program. KAAN is more than just a military platform. It's a statement of intent. By designing and producing a fifth-generation fighter jet domestically, Turkey joins an exclusive group of nations capable of producing advanced stealth fighters. The factory itself stands as a symbol of this ambition, a place where national policy, cutting-edge technology, and industrial expertise converge. Every rivet tightened and every line of code written brings Turkey closer to full space sovereignty. As KAAN progresses from prototype to operational service, the factory continues to evolve. Future production blocks will feature upgraded avionics, domestically produced engines, and enhanced stealth characteristics. Export variants are already being discussed, positioning KAAN as a potential competitor in the global fighter jet market. Inside the heavily guarded hangar, the sound of machinery never truly stops. It is the sound of a nation engineering its future one stealth aircraft at a time.